Thursday. It is Thursday. Oh God, that scared me. It's Thursday at 4:32. I just picked up my dry cleaning. I don't know if you can see it back there, but I love these sunglasses that I got from Anthropology. You probably saw in my last vlog, but I never start vlogs, it feels like, on Thursday afternoons. So I wanted to just switch it up. You've seen my Friday morning routine so many times at this point, where I just go to spin and then go get coffee and then a burrito from Whole Foods. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start this vlog off now on a Thursday. Tonight I am gonna go to Park City with Hayes. We're gonna meet up with a big group of North Carolina people that are actually in town. So gonna go to dinner with them. I've actually never been to this little boutique hotel that they're staying at, so I'm really excited to go check it out. And yeah, we've got a lot of exciting weekend plans ahead of us. What's up? Somebody's playing the violin. It sounds so pretty. Can you hear this? Oh my God, I thought it was about to be Canon D, the wedding march. Wait, it is. Hold on. I'll see you guys when I'm on the way to Park City with Hayes.
Okay.
Hey! Ooh.
We're just blurred. Focus?
Yeah. It's been a minute. It's 4. No, it's not 4. It was 4 when we first talked, but now it's 6:45.
Yes.
Hayes and I are in our Park City apparel.
Look at us. Wow.
We look cute. We look like kind of Christmassy.
We kind of do. We're going to Park City.
We're in Park City. Hayes made a really good point that we're like literally on vacation this weekend.
We are. Because we're going to Park City tomorrow night.
Yep.
And we're skiing Deer Valley Saturday.
Yep.
And we're going to the Montage for drinks and appetizers.
Heading our friend Ben up. We have our favorite bartender.
We love him.
We love him. He loves us. It's just a love affair.
Love affair.
Fitting for Valentine's Day coming up.
Yeah.
So anyways, I don't know how much I'm actually gonna film once I'm up in Park City tonight.
But
I'm gonna film very much. But
you can film Hunter and Lauren.
yeah, we'll get some clips of like the hotel and the restaurant and all that good stuff. Just wanted to say hey, happy Thursday night.
Happy little Friday.
Friday Junior.
Oh, yeah, we're spinning tomorrow morning.
Yes, said that. I said that's why I had to start the vlog now instead of tomorrow, because I feel like all I do is start my vlogs on Friday morning, and all you see at the very beginning is spin class, Jamba Joe's, and a burrito.
They know the routine. Come
Yeah,
on.
I'm a creature of habit.
It's Friday ritual. We're on bikes 20 and 21.
And with my life in such a disarray, like I crave the sweet routines that I can. You know what I mean? Like my little Friday mornings.
Yeah.
So, love that.
We love it.
Okay, we'll see you there. My hair's getting long. Look at that.
It is long.
It's nice. Okay, bye.
Bye. Caroline, where are we?
Okay, we are at the
Pendry.
We're at the Pendry Hotel. Look how pretty though. One thing I love about Park City is that it always looks like Christmas.
You're always on vacation when you come up here.
We're always on vacation.
We're trying a new restaurant, Kita?
It's like a Japanese fusion restaurant.
Yeah, it should be
And
good.
we're like 40 minutes early to meet our friends. So obviously we're gonna go to the bar and have a drink and some apps.
As one does.
As one does. Where's the valet?
Hi, we are staying here.
Look at those palm trees, damn!
morning. I just wrapped up spin. I almost slept in. Almost. Time to get coffee. Okay, so we are back home. I'm in a little Airbnb now, and I have a full day of work to do, obviously this Friday, and I need to shower, I need to fake tan, like I need to wash my hair, blow it out, all of that good stuff, and I need to tidy this Airbnb because it's crazy. But yeah, that's literally the day today. Just working from home. See ya after I'm done with work. Bye. Okay, she's bronzing. Wow. So I just put on fake tanner. I want to show you really quickly which ones I use. So this is the Saint Tropez Advanced 1 Hour Tan. I really like it. I put it on sometimes overnight, but it says 1 hour light, 2 hours medium, 3 hours dark. So it just like gets darker as you leave it on. So I just put it on. I'm probably gonna leave it for like 5 hours maybe, and then shower it all off. But this is a really great fake tan if you are scared about like streaks or anything like that. You just have to be really careful. Like, I mean, obviously like use a mitt and do it in circles and then wash your hands after, because you know. But yeah, Saint Tropez, this is a good fake tanner. We love.
It's also, it might not be the best route for us because it's virtual, you know? So one idea they
Good morning. Saturday morning. Let's see. I never filmed anything else last night. I'm so sorry. I ended up just getting dinner with a friend and going home. But we're up and bundled and ready for the day. It's 8:39. We're gonna go ski in Park City today. I just stopped at Whole Foods and got the OG breakfast burrito, tofu breakfast burrito. And then I also got a ginger shot, the green egg cold pressed juice with apple, celery, kale, lemon, and spinach. And then I also got a Go Macro bar for later on today, and then a giant thing of water. I kind of had like a dehydration headache, even though I literally didn't drink a drop yesterday, but I thought I was. So I like hydrated super well. Oops, sorry, I just hit a curb. And then I ended up just literally not drinking anything. So I'm so confused why I'm like so parched. But anyways, I swear this entire vlog has just been me talking to the camera, but you know. Anyways, we're gonna go get a coffee at Java Joe's and get this day started. Oh, there's a green 4Runner. This is my dream car. Can you see that? Oh, cute. All right, let's go get some coffee. Hi, how are you? Good. Can I please do a medium oat milk latte with hazelnut, please?
Yeah, anything else?
That's all.
566.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Yeah, you too. Every time, slaps. Currently in the trees. There's definitely a cabin over here somewhere. We're over here looking for it. Oh, Mr. Drace. We're at the montage. Getting some drinks. Wait, let me see.
The balance of opposites right there.
I'll tell you what, you are
A day in the life.
You have your resources. You know?
Nice. Yes.
Miss Caroline.
Andres, anything you want to say? Cheers. Guys, anything you want to say?
He's him. I hate everyone here.
Wheels up, King.
What's up, King? Look at that.
Let's match.
I don't want Oh, hey. I have a ton. We're gonna go to the racetrack, Caroline and I.
You are?
You and I are gonna go do it.
I don't want to.
I just want to
I'm the best skier on the mountain. I don't know what to
Last
say.
one down.
What did you say?
Lindsay, are you the best skier on the mountain? Or is that Mimi?
She is.
I'm the best skier on the mountain.
This is Mimi. She's the best skier on the mountain.
I'm the best skier on the mountain.
on the mountain.
Sure. On the mountain.
For sure. Hey. We're back home. It's 6 p.m. and I just made this bowl of pasta. It has spinach and tofu, mushrooms, green peas, all the good stuff. And we're gonna sit here and eat this while watching The Crown. Today was fun. Just want to give you guys a little update. Having some dinner. I think we're gonna go out later, but not sure. So. Good morning, you guys. Happy Super Bowl Sunday. Woo! Brr. It's Sunday morning and we are heading to boxing. It's 9 a.m. The class starts in 30 minutes. I honestly have not been to a boxing class in a minute, so I'm excited to go. It's my favorite instructor, Dash. So gonna go ahead and get this workout over with. And then I'm not sure what we're gonna be doing for the Super Bowl, honestly, tonight. I don't know if I wanna do anything. Actually, like, I just don't think I want to do anything. So we're gonna go ahead and get this workout going, get the day started. I'm gonna reblow out my hair. It actually has lasted. And just get ready for the week. I'm really excited. Tomorrow, my friend Meg and Braylon are gonna be meeting up for a cute little like Valentine's Day brunch. It's like a prefix menu with 4 courses and mocktails and cocktails, like per course, and they have a vegan option. So that's gonna be really exciting. So I'm just gonna be getting ready for the week, and I got some really exciting news that I did get this apartment. It's like a 4-plex house, like a beautiful old historic home, and I just got the news that I got the apartment. So I'm gonna be moving next weekend. Yeah, I'm very excited about that. So let's go to boxing. I haven't been in a long time. This is gonna be such a struggle, but we'll see. Okay, good morning, bye.
Okay, yeah, awesome. You are.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That was so good. I'm so glad I went. Now I'm back on Dash's personal training calendar. Wednesday mornings, 6 a.m. Okay, my card ran out of memory when I was getting out of boxing, but I just came to World Market. I'm gonna take you guys inside. We're gonna go walk around. like I mentioned, I'm pretty sure it's hair. I'm pretty sure I'm moving into a new apartment at the end of the month, so I'm gonna go walk around World Market and just get some like inspo. I'm gonna need like a little bistro table for the kitchen. I'm gonna need, yeah, just like new apartment stuff. I'm pretty much gonna get everything new just because I feel like everything that I did have is tainted. So let's go to World Market. Hi, thank you. I love this. Cute. I really feel like I need a round table for the kitchen. This is cute. Have y'all seen that meme on Instagram? And it's like just a girl looking for a bowl that's kind of also a plate. I feel like that's me. And World Market has so many good options for that right now. Like, it's a bowl, but it's like a plate.